I'm Umeko. I'm head of coffee at Sudden, and I'm going to tell you why Sudden is different. Regular instant coffee is designed to be cheap. It tastes bad because it's made with commodity coffee beans, and it's boiled to convert it into a powder. All of that heat destroys the flavor. At Sudden, our coffee is designed to be delicious. We use only single origin arabica coffee, cultivated on specialty farms for the best possible flavor. Each season, I taste hundreds of coffees and choose only the sweetest and the most aromatic. Next, we brew the coffee. We developed a proprietary new brewing method that doesn't use boiling and extracts only the best flavors from the coffee. Then, the coffee is crystallized. We evaporate the water while the coffee is frozen, locking complexity and aroma into the coffee crystals. Nothing is added. Sudden is 100% specialty grade, sustainably grown, delicious coffee.